Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your current progress. Link to Google, Apple, or Facebook so you can restore later. Next, open Cookie Run and tap the Settings gear. This is where Account Tools live. Once an account, choose Sign Out or Switch Account. Do not skip verifying credentials. Make sure you have the email, Apple ID, or Facebook password ready. If you use Guest, copy any backup code now, because once you sign out, restoring without a link is difficult. You now perform the actual switch. Pick the provider for the target account, Google, Apple, Facebook, or Guest, and tap it. Enter the email or Apple ID and password and follow any two-factor prompts. Apple may ask to re-authenticate via System Dialog. Once authenticated, allow the game to sync with the cloud. This can take a few seconds, and you should see your target kingdom load. If a confirmation appears, review the account name, but you finish by verifying the switch. Check the player name, level, and currency to confirm the correct account loaded. Once satisfied, immediately link this account to Google, Apple, or Facebook to protect it. If the wrong kingdom appears, do not repeatedly retry. Instead, clear the app cache or reinstall and attempt the login again. If problems persist, gather screenshots, note timestamps, and contact support. This helps them restore accounts without guesswork and speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.